Hi everyone, welcome back to CRN TV. I'm Rachel Espaillat. We are in New York City for day 2 of Women of the Channel East. From a healthy breakup with technology to unleashing superpowers, day 2 of the event was filled with tips and tricks to enable attendees to become their best selves on all fronts of life. Day 2 started with something many of us struggle with, breaking up with your phone.
And what I realized is that I had gotten so used to allowing my time to be filled by whatever presented itself on my screens that I kind of lost sight of how I wanted to fill my own time.
If you are up for the challenge, Catherine Price, an award-winning science journalist, author, and speaker, assured attendees, creating a more balanced and intentional relationship with phones can be life-changing.
I reclaimed, hours a week, if not hours a day, that I'd previously spent mindlessly scrolling.
A panel of women from AWS also helped the audience shift focus to unlocking potential through superpowers.
If you don't know what you want to do, be really good about understanding and knowing what you don't want to do, and protecting that, and making sure that you're making decisions that at least support what you don't want to do. That's helped me out a lot.
Attendees spent part of the afternoon in breakout sessions. Topics ranged from how to lead with impact to building networking tools.
In my role, there's not a lot of women, and this has really inspired me to seek out other women in the industry, either for a mentor or even a mentee. Like after this week, I want to go seek that person out and lift them up.
Cheryl Hines, an Emmy award-winning actor, producer, and director, activist, and philanthropist, also helped wrap up the conference with a closing keynote. During her time on stage, Hines uses personal experiences to demonstrate how to find opportunities in unlikely scenarios.
While I wish that our entire team could come along, I think it's really important for us to take back what we learned to the organization, so that there's a purpose in what we're learning.
We'll have even more exclusive content from the event on CRN TV, so stick with us. I'm Rachel Espaillat, CRN TV.